This has quickly become my favorite way to eat a scallion pancake, and I think it's become a family favorite too. I always have them on hand in the freezer, and I found that the most fun experiments in the kitchen often come from the stuff that you reach for again and again. For me, frozen scallion pancakes are definitely one of those things. Now, the most traditional way to eat a scallion pancake is actually on its own. No dipping sauce, completely unadorned. And while that's obviously delicious, it's really more of a snack. So to make it into more of a substantial meal, I make this twist on avocado toast. First, I fry the scallion pancake until it's nice and crispy on both sides. Sometimes I'll add an egg for extra protein. Then I'll mash half an avocado, spread it onto the pancake, drizzle that with soy sauce. You can also add chili oil if you want. Then just roll it up and enjoy. The creamy avocado with the crispy scallion pancake is an incredible combination, and the soy sauce adds that satisfying salty bite. If you're tired of the same old avocado toast, give this a try.